yeah, back to the channel, back to activities. We've got a new video for you guys. I know it's been so long since I dropped a video, but yeah, I'm back with a new video with Auntie Princess here. So the video is actually today. Me and her are gonna eat like dogs. Yeah, without our hands, without forks, without, how do you call it?
Fork and spoon.
Without fork.
Yeah, cutting this one.
Basically, we're gonna be eating without forks and spoons and knives. Yeah, just straight with our mouth like dogs. And the one who's gonna finish the first this food that I'm gonna show you obviously will win, and the one who's gonna finish last will have to drink this raw eggs, lemon with some salt in this glass of water. So let's get started. Letting a film tacos.
It's Bizarro on the beat.
Wait, just again. Try, just smell it again.
Smells like vomit. I'm not drinking.
What do you mean?
I'm not drinking that.
What do you mean?
I'm not drinking that. I'm not drinking that.
So you have to win.
Exactly, don't worry, I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna start. So what do you choose again? Okay. I'm taking this one. Anyways. 3, 2. Wait. Let's separate this. What's yours? I don't even wanna smell it.
Why?
Mehdi, on est en train de faire la vidéo.
Buongiorno.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. No.
I got my nose.
It's not my first one. It's no lot of Slow down.
You slow down.
Slow down. The one that will follow first, don't worry. The one that will tell you everything first.
I'm done. I'm done. Peace out.
There's some wrong too, eh? No wrong too much.
I'm the baddest. I'm the baddest. Now you can drink that shit. Yeah. Slowly, slowly. Just enjoy your food. Enjoy it.
As you can see, guys, I was eating a little more peacefully, calm. She was too fast. Fast.
I'm not ready to drink that thing.
What was?
I can't take this out for in my cup. I dash you.
Yeah.
This is milk. This is
Yeah. Ew.
oh my god!
No, this is too much.
It's nice to be out there.
No, not this.
You better go brush your teeth.
Round number two. I hope I'll win this one. So I'm choosing this one. I'm choosing this one now.
Wait. This is too much.
No. I'm gonna have to win at this now. So, 1,
Wait.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Slow down.
I hope I win this one. I really hope I win this one, guys.
Oh my gosh, it's like this is my lucky day.
Again, you won. No, you didn't win. Did you win?
Oh, hell no! was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm dead. Oh gosh.
I'm not playing with her.
I'm a Nigerian babe. Nigeria know they carry last. Period.
Don't play this game with no Nigerian, no.
Want to know?
Please, just try.
Just it's remaining a little bit in that cup, right?
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry, I'll try that later when you finish this. Finish it first. Drink it. If you feel like throwing up, please rush to the toilet. Go to the toilet.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
It has its this shit stinks.
Dana. Try.
I'm not drinking the whole thing.
No, come on, just this. Just this.
If I go to the hospital,
It kills sensitivity.
if I go to the hospital, it's because of this guy. So you guys should call the police and
This
arrest
cures
me.
sensitivity, guys. It's for sensitivity. Really.
I'm gonna drink it for you guys, not for you.
I don't imagine. Hey! Come here.
Wait!
Are you going? Where are you going?
Disgusting. It's really, yuck. Yuck. Well, it's nice though, to be honest.
We never know. Maybe it cures against coronavirus. We never know. We flipping don't know. So
Don't try this at home.
do not try this at home, guys. Anyway, try it. It's nice. It's against coronavirus.
If you guys die, it's because of this guy. So
So, as you can tell,
Stop it.
So, as you can
Your
tell,
breath
guys,
stinks.
I lost both of the challenges. I mean, 2 times, both of the rounds. I shamefully lost. Congratulations to Princess for winning both of the rounds. Hooray! 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 Anyways, we're gonna interview her. Princess, how do you feel winning the challenge?
Oh, I feel so.
Don't care, still don't care.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
Thank you guys for watching. Catch you later.